Hey kids, how are you all? Okay, can you see a beautiful collage work with best out of waste? Yes, it's very easy for this to make like this. Okay, we require a beautiful collection of waste material. Shall we see what all the materials required? Yeah, garlic peel, onion peel, and you have to take banana like this. When you peel banana, you have to dry it like this. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4 5. Can you understand, right, for what I made this? Yeah, I will tell you later. Okay, and can you guess what is this? You're right, children. This is the grape stem. Yeah, it is also dried. Everything I have dried and kept it ready to make a collage work. Let's see how to do it. Children, you need to draw the beautiful sea, the waves pattern, and color it. Okay, I've given some combination of light and dark blue, and then I drew some clouds. See, clouds. Okay. Then I imagined some trees over here. For that, I've stuck with Fevicol. Oh, see this one? Yeah, I have stuck this grape twigs, that is the small stems, the grape thing, and I have stuck it with the Fevicol here. Okay, and it is looking like a tree, right? Yeah, and I have decorated some of waste grass or something, dried grass. So I've taken even the coir from the coconut. Also some pudina stem also I have taken. Can you see? Yes. And to decorate more, I have taken some more grape stems. It's all dried and I have stuck it neatly. And that banana peel, see, I have just imagined it as a starfish. Can you also see that closer? Yeah. Yes, it's looking very neat, right? Yeah, try to do when you are a beginner. It's very easy to do all this. That's why I made this video. And I see some decoration to fill these, these gaps. I just wanted to fill it with onion peels here. I just cut it neatly. And before cutting this, it's not easy to cut a dry onion. You need to soak like this. See, you need to soak onion in water like this. Okay, so that then you have to wipe it. See, it will become soft. Got it? Okay, once it is soft, you need to just take a dry cloth and just press it so that it will be little dry and soft. Okay, it should not be wet because you're using Fevicol to stick, right? It should not be wet like this. You got it, children? Yes, try this. It's very easy. And even the garlic peel, you can soak it in water and you can use it to paste it. You have to clean it with wet dry cloth, and then you can take glue and paste like this. Okay, for clouds I've just given a 3D effect like this. This is a simple work, okay, simple activity to show how can you use all these best out of waste peels and waste material from vegetables and fruits. I just imagined, for a beginner this is okay, and you can develop this idea for many things. And can you see distance? There is a ship or boat, whatever you can imagine anything. And I made a boat, a small boat, just sailing that side. Okay, and I just imagined with extra cuts of this in the banana peel I have taken. It looks like a whale, right? Yeah. Okay, like this, keep imagining yourself and keep doing many things. Not only the scenery, you can even do a lot of ideas. Like I wanted to do a bird feather using this garlic peel. I'm just planning. Okay, so why don't you also try and send me the videos, right, children? Yeah, did you like this video? Yes, please try this also. Thank you so much, children. Bye bye.